Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your PC has admin rights and a stable network. This matters because device discovery uses local broadcast and cloud syncing. Once done, install the Hik Connect PC client and sign in with your Hik Connect account so devices associate to your cloud profile. Next, gather the camera or NVR serial number, and if you prefer local ad, note its IP and admin credentials. That gives you everything needed to begin adding a device immediately, without delay. You now add the device. Open Devices, choose Add, and enter the serial or scan the QR. This uses Cloud P2P to pair quickly. If you choose Local Add, pick Network Device, enter IP, port, and admin password. This gives direct RTSP access and more control. Once added, enable Cloud or P2P, then open Live View to verify video. Make sure Mainstream for recording and Substream for lower bandwidth viewing are set. That helps optimize performance and reduce lag. To finish, configure recording schedule and storage path so footage saves where you expect. Export a short clip to confirm. You should update firmware and secure admin passwords for reliability and security. Once done, set notifications for motion or alarms so you receive alerts. If the device shows offline, check local firewall rules, port forwarding on your router if using direct IP, and confirm device time sync. These 3 checks resolve most connectivity problems quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.